So the group conversation topic is job versus business.
Because in job you have the fear between lot of jobs.
There is not a security of your job, so how can you say that we can't like enjoy? We have a lot of depression.
What about anxiety?
In job you also have pressure, you have work, you have to work on time, you
If
have
we
to
work
follow
on
the
time,
rules.
so what will
You
you
have
say?
no control over the workers. It's not same for everyone. I'm talking about everyone.
If you have a money, so you can start. There are many people who wants to start business,
But if people like your fries, your chips, so you can set up another stall and you can you can provide the facility to give job to others.
Can they create job like fries or papad wala?
All are doing fine? Okay, so today we have another exciting English speaking class. Today I have come up with another exciting topic of discussion, which is job versus business. So, as an English learner, your task is to speak on this group on this topic in a group conversation to enhance your English speaking skill. So I hope that all of you are ready. Job versus business, it's going to be an exciting group conversation. You must be confident throughout the group conversation till the end. I would like to direct all of you participate in this group conversation and make sure your participation leaves an impactful performance. As an English speaker, as an English learner, you must be an inspirational speaker. Your English must inspire other people too. All right, so the group conversation topic is job versus business. So here in this class now we are going to begin with Mr. Rafe. Mr. Rafe is going to share his views first. First of all, Mr. Rafe, introduce yourself and tell everyone which side are you favoring. Are you favoring job or business? Start. Tell all of them.
First of all, I start with the greatest name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Abdul Rafe, and today we are going to discuss about job versus business. So I'm in the favor of job, and I can prove it how job is important than business. Job is better than business because job offers you experience. Job offers you experience, and you can't start business without experience. And you can get job with the skills and your education. And before starting business, you have to have investment and experience. And for a job offers you a fixed salary and predictable budget. Predictable budget. And on the other side, business, we can't predict budget because in business we face ups and downs. So uh, this is my points about business and job.
Okay, now Aliza is going to share her views on business. Rafe, you keep standing. To build your argument, yes.
Good evening, respected teacher, worthy opponents, and audience. My name is Aliza. I'm the student of Journal 3, English in on the behalf of Journal 3. Thank you so much for having me this opportunity. Today I am here for a group discussion and our topic is job versus business, and I am supporting business because business offers the chance
Look at her and listen.
not only to control your destiny but also control your create job for others. In addition to when you own the business, you are the boss. You don't have to rely other and discuss decision
Rely. You don't have to.
Rely.
You don't have to rely on others. Rely on others.
You don't have to rely on other and discuss decision with them. Another benefit that many entrepreneurs enjoy is having order and power. When you are the boss, as the head of organization, you make the rule and you make the rule what is and isn't acceptable in the workplace. Moreover, business is a path of freedom, innovation, and financial growth. In a business give you the power to shape your future while job provide comfort of someone else. This is from my side.
Okay, Rafa, response.
But my question is, how will you start business without experience and without investment? If you have investment, for
You
suppose,
have to encourage your group members to clapping, applaud. Applaud is important. Yes.
suppose, for suppose you have investment, but you have no experience. So how will you start business? This is my question from you.
So we cannot start job without experience. We also need experience for job, and experience is necessary for everywhere.
Everyone.
We cannot start anything without experience.
So you want to
also,
say,
job also require experience.
so you want to say that fresher can't do anything? No,
Fresh.
it's wrong. It's a wrong statement because everyone can do job.
Mic close. Yes.
So you can do business.
But
Because they give you job. If you don't have experience, so they give you go to small areas to do job. So you can start small business in starting, and then you can run these business.
Anybody else would like to respond on her behalf? Yes. Please, from girl side, anyone? Anyone would like to respond?
So guys, when it comes to the experience that the job and the business is require experience, so job is also required experience. But and someone job also requires source. When you have experience, you also need source. Some of the places you need a source and experience, both of them. Both are very important, but I can say that the business is far better than job because in business you have authority to make decisions. You can run people. You are the boss. You have job security. You don't have fear that you can lose your jobs.
there is no one will to guide you. So that's why.
But you can start your
Why do
business
you
with a
think
small
business
skills.
is better than, or why do you think job is better than business? Tell us. Why
That's
do you think job is better?
in order to start a business in Pakistan. You, first of all, you require some experience. Then you need a large amount of investment, and still you have no still you have risk to face loss because of my economic instability and
Because of instability.
instability in Pakistan and economically stability. And because of when you for suppose you buy a stock and as per unit 1,000 rupees. After some time, your the price drops. So you will have to face you have to face a big
Loss.
big loss.
But it's not important that every time you need source of or experience for business. You can start your business on the behalf of your skill. You can start your business on the small scale. It can provide you the more facilities because in job you have the fear you can lose the jobs. You are in the hand under the hand of other people. You work for other. Why do you think that when you can work for others, why can't you do work for yourself? It's better than job.
Good.
When you start a business, I already said you, everyone cannot start a own business. So if some people need
So
to
job is safe.
so job is safe and we have fixed salary and predict time to start work, and we can give the time to family, and we when we start the business we are going to step into the anxiety depression and loss.
All right. Next response we are going to have from yes Ahmad Raza, and from this side Usma. Yes. Shabash.
I have a question that, as she said, that without
I
experience,
have a question to all of you.
I have a question to all of you. As she said, that without experience, we cannot even have a job. So, as you know, that when we go to learn something, we have to learn from beginning. So, this is how we have to start something. Without experience, we can also not make a business. So, how would you say that?
As far as as far as I'm concerned, you can start your business by experience. There are many people who start their business by education as well as, and they start their business by skills. In our homes, for example, in our homes, there are our mothers cook food, and they have experience to cook food, and many of mothers started their business by cooking. They are cooking and they are selling because in the era of inflation, there is no people don't have money to fulfill the dreams of.
supporting hand, supporting hand.
We need supporting hand. That's why a mother also can start business by their skills. It doesn't matter that you can start your business by your education.
What about that when we don't have skills? What can we do?
Every person have skills if they want in their lives. Every person has their skills and they can use their skills in positive way if they want to do.
Everybody don't have skills. They have to get from their own minds.
So when they start to try, so they can get skills, otherwise they can't get skills. If they want to achieve their goal, so they can get, otherwise they can't get skills.
So as you people are saying that we should make our business, we shouldn't have a job. So what do you think that how can we have a business when we don't have money?
Or how can we run a business successfully without finance and without investment?
You can't
Without-
start.
Is that possible?
You can't
Yes.
start a business alone. Starting a business, it's important for you that there would be a entrepreneurship with other your friends and other businessmen. When you start your business with your friends, so your business can work more and more as you want.
But every person is not loyal. Our friends are. We don't know about our friends. How are they? Are they loyal with us or not? If they make us, or if they, oh, sir, if they break our trust, what will happen
Uh,
with our?
Five fingers are not equal. Everyone is not equal. There are many people and they have successful business in their.
Encourage your group member. Why don't you encourage her?
They have successful.
Why are you so upset, all of you? Why are you so upset? What happened? What has happened? Are you not enjoying this group conversation? Yeah, tell me, are you not enjoying this group conversation? No? Who is not enjoying? Kamal said we are enjoying. So you should encourage your group members. Yes, continue.
Every person is not equal. There are many people who are doing their business with their friends and they are not mistrust. They are not breaking their trust, and their business is too much successful in their lives.
All right. Next response we are going to have from who is going to speak? Any one of you? Okay, fine. Yes. Please, 1 to 1. Yes. Yes. Continue. Start.
Okay, so as you said that everyone don't have any type of skill. So
Everyone doesn't have.
okay, doesn't have. So can I say that don't we have any type of skills? Everyone have different type of skills. Everyone can do whatever what they want. If they have confidence, if they have like some like help of their family, so they can do whatever what they want.
So if they want to do first, they will have to learn something else. When they don't learn, when they don't want to learn, when they are tired and they don't want to learn, what about them?
So when you don't learn anything, so how can you do a job? Don't all like job also wants some type of education.
I accept that. So what about those people? You are, as you are saying that how can we make business when even we cannot have a job?
Business is not about education. Business is about something. We can do a small business like fries, chips. They are also a
Okay,
business.
Muzammil is going
So-
to respond. Muzammil,
So,
take mic and he is going to continue. Yes. Yes.
Hello everyone, this is Muzammil in front of you, and today I am here for group conversation. So there is a good conversation between job and business. So according to me, job is very crucial because our job is less risky compared to start a business.
Good.
So
Less risky.
Less
Job
risky.
is less risky. Keep the points in your mind to respond in. Yes.
and business owners are constantly working to grow their business. So they have stress, depression. So where is the better work life? Where is the better work life?
Okay,
You
so
tell me where is a better work life.
Yes.
Ask. You tell me where is a better work
You
life.
tell me where is the better work
Yes.
life?
Okay, when you do a like business, so there is not a tension. You don't have any type of depression because it's your on. You are the you are the boss. Okay, you are just looking yourself as a boss, so you can do whatever what you want. You have some amount of money, so you can do whatever what you want. But in jobs, your job. Okay, so your money is about to your boss. When your boss mind change, you will be like lost your like job.
You will be fired from
You
the
will
job.
be fired, and you have like a lot of depression after that. So what
There
do
is
you
no
think?
job security. In job, you don't have a security.
Exactly.
Job security.
So there is if there is not a security of your job, so how can you say that we can't like enjoy? We have a lot of depression. You also have depression after losing your job.
Interrupt her and continue. Don't wait for
Okay.
your turn. Otherwise, she is not going to
Okay, so
allow you to speak.
in order to build your business, you need to employees, you need to job. So firstly you
Especially
do.
when I open my business, so I don't want any type of employee in my business. I can do work whatever
Let
what
me
I want.
speak.
Okay, I just build my business on a higher way. I do that.
Okay, firstly you will do job, you will do job. So
When a person start thinking like a boss, so they don't need to do a job. They are making their minds like a boss. So if I like today I'm like talking about the business, so it doesn't mean that in the future I will do a job. No, if I do a job, so why I'm talking about?
You stand up and keep supporting Mr. Muzammil. You should also keep standing and yes, Shabash, speak. Yes, why not?
So I just want to say that the people who are like starting thinking like a boss, so they don't need in future they don't need to do a job. They start their business by their own self. So I just want to say that think like a boss, so you don't need to like
But if
don't
you have
need to
them,
like a job like servant.
but if you have not money, so how will you start a business, small business?
It doesn't mean when
Because everyone
we are
need
like
to money, but money is not everyone needs money, but money is not everything.
money is not everything. Money can like in this era, money is everything. When you have money, so people will respect you. Even otherwise they don't want to see you without
You
money.
have to challenge her. She is speaking too much and you people are not responding. Anyone who would like to respond? Mr. Rafe is standing. Adil,
Yes.
pass the mic to Mr. Rafe. Yes, Rafe, you should respond her.
If
Keep
you are-
standing. Keep standing.
If you are talking about money, so there are many jobs you can get, and you can earn
Vishal,
more.
stand up and support her. Yes,
can-
Rafe, stand
you
up.
can-
Keep.
You can earn more than business.
Be
For example, there are many people uh, have a job in Microsoft and Google, and they have more than a businessman.
they are highly paid jobs.
They have highly paid jobs.
Okay, so they have a highly okay. I can agree, but I just want to say that self obsession is also something. When you are setting your mind like a boss, you are just seeing yourself like a boss. Job is like a servant. Okay, in jobs you are looking yourself like a servant. You are just calling like a servant. Okay, you are employed just. But in like business, people call you that he has this type of business or she have, and they are working on it.
But what about pressure? What about anxiety?
In job you also have pressure.
In
No,
job, you also
in-
have anxiety that if you did any mistakes, a boss will fire you. What about that one anxiety and tension?
But if you are government servant, every servant did not fire her.
Every employee
Every employee
is not
is
fired.
not fired.
If you did mistake, so what about that one anxiety that
How
you
will
are
do you
feeling?
mistake? How will do you mistake? If you have a
A person can do mistake.
and
A person can do mistake.
nothing.
Ahmed Rada.
I have a
If you are saying the job is more better than business, so why all are running behind the business? If in my one hand there is business and if my second hand there is job, so what will you choose? You will definitely choose business because in business you are the owner. You can just provide the work, but in job you have to follow the rules. You have to work on time.
But if we are employee, we don't have to take stress we don't have to worry about the people. We
How
don't have
can
to
you
about.
say that we don't have stress? You have work. You have to work on time. You
If
have
we
to
work
follow
on
the
time,
rules.
so what will
You
you say?
have no control over the workers.
Boss cannot just even say just one word. Why? If he doing his work properly, so why will he say that?
So he have to work. If he does not work, so boss will fire you. It depend upon the boss. It depend upon the mood of boss.
So, as you are saying that you will not be able to make your own business. So, I have a question according to her, as she was saying that if she can make her own business alone. So, if suppose that your business has grown up. So, but you have been a sick. So, what will you do in this situation?
So if my like
Who will
business
look
start
after? Who will
developing.
look
Who will look after?
Okay, if my like business start developing, so there are a lot of workers. I also have some like type of people. They are working on my office or my.
But
family
before you
also
were saying
there.
you don't need to have any employee. Why?
Wait, if my once my business will. You need to do what? Then you can provide employees. After developing your business, no, not then. For now, today you have started your business and now you are providing plan. No, after some time you can provide.
But if we have money, we can easily make our own business.
Pass this mic.
What about them?
Give them chance
Of
to
course,
speak on.
if we can get it, so we can also start a business on that money. If you are just starting a job, so you also need to take some type of education. Without education, there is not a job. And in Pakistan, there are not a lot of jobs.
There are not many people.
The money.
I have an answer of her question. As she said, everyone don't have education. But what about them in government jobs? They are working, but they don't have experience. They don't have skills. They don't have education. What about them?
As they all are saying that business is too much risky, so you can learn in your life by taking the risk. Otherwise you can't learn taking a risk in your lives. And many of you are saying that you can't start a business by your own self. You can start, like you are learning English, then you can start a business to giving the tuition of students. It means that you are not wasting, but you are wasting in your learning, not in a job.
But I have a question that if we can perform anything else without risk, so why should we take risk?
Because in risk we can learn many things.
Why
Because-
you take risk?
Because when we take risk in our life, so it means that we are watching the faces of people, and we are able to watch
So
faces
my
of
mean is
problems.
that when we don't need risk, so why should we take when we can have a job?
When you want to achieve your goal,
For starting a business, those people take risk.
In order to start.
In order to starting a business, those people take risk. So definitely they make their future, they make their destiny. While in a job, you have to face the slavery of someone. In
Slavery of someone. You have
slavery
to
of
face the
someone,
slavery
you have to face.
Anyone would like
And you
to
always work under someone else's rules.
Muzammil, give, pass the mic. Yes, Muzammil.
Okay, as she mentioned that businesses create jobs. So businesses create jobs. So what do you say? What do you say about that? About that they are doing business. They are doing business in a small scale. So they can they create job? Can they
First of
create
all,
jobs?
business creating
Like-
a job, that's why you are doing a job.
Can they create job? Those who are doing business on a small scale.
Like fries or papad wala?
Step by step. Okay. Step by step, a person can grow their business, and we are doing business. That's why you are getting a job.
Yes, anyone would like to.
But don't think that you are busy. You have a business, then you can make. Without business, there are many people. If you don't have business, we can go in another another one to have a job. What?
Challenging questions. There should be some challenging questions now to each other. Yes.
If you do any mistake or if you take any risk in your life, so you can build it. And if you never take any risk, any mistake, if you never do, so you never build in your life. If you want to build in your life, so you have to take a risk and mistakes.
Okay, we have to take risks, but not for everyone, not for our businessman that he is going to say us that do this or if you don't do, I will fire you. It is not a good thing. We can have a job from another one.
Rafe. Pass this mic to Rafe And yes, please some challenging questions. Anyone can take the mic if you want.
And you said that
Hurry up, quick. We don't have much time.
And
Yes.
Mr. As you said that we cannot give the chance to others that do job. Whoever had set up that they sell fries. But if people like your fries, your chips, so you can set up another store and you can provide the facility to give job to others.
Yes, you can grow.
You can grow up your business like this. If your work is good, people like your work, you can grow up your business. And when it comes to the salary in a job, you have a fixed salary, and you cannot make a good budget as well as you don't have a
Do you want
financial
it?
freedom.
Do you want it?
And as in business, you have financial freedom and you can do what you want.
Do you accept that whatever you said?
Yes.
Yes. So why are you learning? Why are you having education?
It's not
we
a
have
job.
education for to
It's
get
not a job.
a job.
If I'm learning English now, right now, I can set up an institute and I can give tuition to the children. It will be a business. I'm not doing a job. I'm just getting experience and I will start a business.
Can you make me sure that how will you start your business?
Why can I not show my business? When I student, everybody who are teaching here, those have business, they learn first they learn and then they started their business. I will get experience. I will start my business. Like I can teach in my home. I can give tuition to. It's a business.
As I mentioned that
Without
before, I have an
investing.
example that without having money, without having skill, how can you start? You cannot start a business. So when we go to step by step,
Step by step.
reach our destination to our stairs. So we have a step by step. We do not jump directly. What about this?
So in a job, you also want.
Javedi has got the mic.
So while there are people who are just creating their own business, if without business you can't do a job. So what about it? If like you guys are accepting it, so why like everyone wants to do a business? Without business, can you do a job?
But many people have started their
Firstly-
own
firstly,
business.
one
Okay,
people
we
can
don't
do
need
a
to have
business.
think about it. We can have any job.
Which type of you
Anything else.
in another business you are doing your job.
We have many skills. Okay.
Your mind is like accepting it that you can do a job. You can't like make your mind like a boss. You can't be a boss.
We don't want to be a boss, so why should we become a boss?
We should.
You should become. You want. I don't want.
Make your mind like a boss. It's like luxury thing.
Many job offers like handsome salary package, promotion, and retirement. So every people running for government jobs and do and nothing a business. They don't want to small business.
There is nothing in business.
There is nothing in business. So I think if you do a business, small business or large business is day by day. You suppose your business is getting down day by day. So how will you do in this situation? But if you have not money, how will you do in this situation?
Okay, so firstly you just need to tell me about it. Why business is bad?
Because if you do a job,
I want to answer you that business is bad according to me. If you care about your family, your friends, anybody else, like you are caring about your friend, so you are thinking that yeah, I have a job, so I don't need to think about. I don't need to carry about my job. That if I lose a job, I can have another one. If you lose your all the business, what will you do in this situation? They can be die.
I hear that you were saying that I want to be a businessman. So what about it? If
I
you
did-
want to be a businessman,
I
so why
didn't
you
say.
are accepting that businessman is like a luxury thing? Why you guys are not accepting it? It's a luxury. When people listen.
Give her pass on the mic.
If you are saying that if you care about your family, so I just said that if you are caring about your family, you can set up a business which can create the path the way for your generation. You can make the facilities for your generation. And in job, you do job, and when you die, it's finished. And when you do business, you pave the way for your children, for your
Then who will support yes, you? If we die, you.
Okay, when you do a business, so firstly you have that much money, then you can get up your business. And you, if you do a job, so that you don't have that much money that you
He has got the mic.
Okay.
He will reply.
you saved a money. And for suppose that if you are in difficult time and you have don't have money, but you do a job, but you don't have money, you could not save money. So what will you do after that? Because if you do a business, so you have saved that much money that you can afford everything. But job, for a job, everyone no, for not same for everyone, not for same everyone.
Jobs, most jobs offer, mostly jobs offer additional benefits like pensions and health insurance, so they
So
can afford.
now we are not talking about just a government job, we are talking about all jobs. So it's not same for everyone. It's not same for everyone. I'm talking about everyone.
Young person that we can do a hard work and
So without doing hard work,
Everyone can do hard work.
in job you have to give your 24 hours in your boss, okay? But in business, if in starting in the beginning of business, you need to give your 24 hours in business. But after
do a
some
business,
time
you have
don't
to.
need.
If you do a business, you have to 24 hours on minimum 8 hours to 10 hours. But if you do a job, you just give to 5 to 6
As he
hours.
said that there are we shouldn't go abroad for business, but there are many people who are going abroad for jobs, and when something is happen in their family, so it is too difficult to come in country, because sometimes it happens that parents are missing their children and they are not able to come because of permission of boss. If he is not allowing, if he is not allowed, so how can you come? And you can start business if you want, if you have a money, so you can start. There are many people who wants to start business if they have money, so they can start business by selling as french fries, as she tell. And if you start a small business, so you can grow your business by opening a hotel or restaurant as well.
Small business
Without
also
hard work,
wants
you
money.
can start business. There are
Exactly, job
the
also
people.
want money or like some.
Job doesn't want money. Why? When you have a friend, loyal friend, he can make you sure that he will make you have a
Without
job.
force, we can't get a job.
Wait a second.
This is
The people,
There is no anyone.
You do a job without investment.
the people who are
I don't need to care about
should I speak?
source because I
The
am
people who
Pathan.
are taking
Okay.
job, and if they make a mistake, so
Clap for everyone. Clap for everyone. Clap for each other. This is it. Thank you very much.